They've been clearing this land out here to put in a new Buc-ee's. And it's right next to or pretty close to the Blanco River and the San Marcos River, so let's see if they stirred up any artifacts in the process. Haven't found anything yet on this side from a quick walkthrough. Let's cross this little man-made ditch area. I will on my way back check all that area over there too, but I'm curious to check these giant hills over here, see if there's anything. What's this here? It's got the shape I'm looking for, but it's just like a random flake actually. So little flakes and stuff. A lot of chert here. Let's see here. Kind of an odd shape there. Might make a good size scraper, but not too much serration there. Strong piece though. Okay, I see a couple things over here. I see one black piece sticking out that looks pretty cool. But first look at this big piece of tree here. Oh, check out those crystals in there. So far, this is the best area right here. So I'm gonna scout this out a little better. Oh, I see something. This, and then what's this right here? Okay. Here we go. See that serration right there? It's kind of cool. Might be something. Sharpened up both sides here, but that's like a wide spike. Possible breaks, little flakes and stuff. Look at this odd one. There's another axe shape. Wonder how strong this material is. Yeah, that's possible. That could have been something. Starting to find some nice thin pieces on this backside here. I've already put them in the bag, but I'll show you at the end of the video here. It's a cool looking one. Looks like it could have been an axe. Halved it off right there. A little splitter. Real heavy. Well, that's it for day one out here. I'm gonna have to come back, spend a few more hours looking around because I definitely see some signs of stuff. But, yep. Hopefully tomorrow we'll do a little better. Alrighty. It's a couple days later. Second time out here checking. I have all the possible artifacts in vinegar soaking. They've been soaking for a couple days. Some decent looking pieces, nothing crazy yet. So hopefully today I'll have some better luck. We're trying to kind of speed walk and look for the church. Here we go, Buc-ee's dig site. Day 2. I think I found something. Whoa. Have to rinse that off, huh? I just noticed a big herd of rocks in this little area at the bottom of the ditch here. Look at that. Looks like the shape, you know, it's got the little wings and everything. Getting good little bits over there in the little wall there. But I also see a few pieces right here. So far I found like one really good thing, or what I think is, but over here, not here. But I see a good piece of chert over there. A couple of unique looking pieces, weird pieces that I want to check out in this area. I just found this one here a minute ago. Look at this big one. Looks just like it, but bigger. But this one appears to have a little bit of serration. Oh, there's finally a really nice scraper. Wow. Check out that purple in there. Maybe a scraper or a knife of some sort. Yeah, it looks like a side scraper. Wow. What the hell is this? Out here for the third time checking around. Can't get too close to the site because they are working on it today, but been looking for a good little while. It's about to leave, and check this thing out. This is just a broken piece. That's really cool, huh? Might have been a little scraper knife, but possibly just a break, huh? More likely just a break, but either way, it's a cool looking one, isn't it? They got this like purple chert out here. It's kind of new to me. Feels like an old rock. Haven't found much. I think I might see something finally. What the heck is this? Nah. If it was something, it's all broken up now. That's some cool chert though, isn't it? Kind of like a grayish tan in there. Gray, tan, white, blue. Yeah, I'm gonna look through this pile, look around a little bit more. I just took a step over this and looked down. Barely saw that. Good thing I looked down right there though. What the heck is this? Oh yeah. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, that is a cool knife right there. All right, man, we are pretty far away from the river too. Like far enough to where I was starting to think maybe the artifacts just aren't this far out. But man, that proves it right there. This one, that's a beautiful one too. That's real heavy, real dense, and it's that gray chert that I literally was just talking about 2 seconds ago. Man, that is one of my coolest little like archaic looking knives that I've found. I would guess this is archaic, actually. Yeah, I don't know. Man, this one is razor blade sharp too. Oh man, I feel like it's cutting me just leaning on me. That's so cool, man. How does something like that hold up over the years, you know? Oh man, heck yeah. Yeah, see here, right here, here goes another piece of that chert. This kind of chert can translate to something like this. Alrighty. Yeah, well, I'm definitely going to spend another hour just on this one little, or these couple little piles over here, just to make sure I don't miss anything good. Oh man, here's another piece of it. It's a cool flake. Must have just flaked right there. Yep, flaked off right there, huh? Yeah, that's a neat piece of chert right there. Yep. Look how pretty of a knife that would make, man. A little flake knife. You can make a nice little scraper out of this one. Got a beautiful galaxy in there. Huh. That might be a little projectile point. I stepped over this crazy looking chert here. What on earth? That's really neat. It's like yellow and red. Looks like a pretty fresh break. Hey, how's it going? Alrighty, it's a few days later. Got everything cleaned up from the Buc-ee's site. Everything within that stick, the blue 2x4, and that little gray thing is all from the Buc-ee's site, construction site. There's some cool finds over the 3 days that I spent searching. Bunch of bone pieces and artifacts, and I found my first pendant ever, or necklace type of deal. I was thinking it was a bluebird, like a parrot or something, but we don't really have parrots over here. We have blue jays. But my boss, or like one of our bosses, was like, "Man, that's a rabbit. Turn it sideways." I was like, "Oh, cool." Yeah, actually. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Thought it was just a random piece of bone with a little sharp edge. Turns out it's probably, you know, a necklace or maybe some kind of earring or something. Lots of weird, unique, really cool pieces, and one of my best ones, obviously. Archaic knife, razor sharp. You can't even hold it wrong without cutting yourself. Just awesome. But those little points are probably my favorite, most unique little points I've ever found. But these little points are some of the coolest, most unique points I've ever found. Some kind of chert with sparkles in it. Razor sharp tip. Razor blade sharp. And at first I was thinking, you know, I don't know, it's kind of weird. I don't know if that is a point. But then I find an identical type right here. Just without that sparkle. Pretty cool. I don't know if it was a spear. Probably a spear tip is what I'm thinking. These don't, you know. The arrows are more woodland, more like thinner. But here's another one here. I believe this one is actually bone, but it's the same shape. Check out this one. Never found anything like that. What on earth is that? I haven't done research on these because I've been working all in between, and I've been pretty busy at work, so I wasn't able to do research as I usually do. I don't know what this is. Check out this one here. How good it fits in the hand. Got a little divot there. Another tool kind of like that. This is a very unique piece here. I believe these are paleo when they're just like that, just like, and then just like super fine. Just barely any type of final flaking or whatever it's called, but like a razor blade right there. Be good for like cutting up food and stuff. That was pretty cool. Big notch on the side there. I just glued this one back together because I broke it after I was cleaning it. Sorry about that, dog. It's about to get dark, so I gotta get it done right now. I want to get this posted today. I gotta work in the morning at 4:30, so doing my best to get it out. Bunch more bone pieces. This is one of the most unique bone pieces right here. I believe it might be some kind of axe type deal. Razor blade sharp on the tip there, super heavy. Nice little hafting area cut through there. Put it right there, man. Just whoosh. It's got some kind of grooves over here. It feels like a hand one actually, because look, my thumb fits right in there. I got a finger mark literally cut out for your finger right there. Look at that thing. Super heavy and strong. One of my coworkers, the lady who cleans up our plant in the mornings, you know, I show and tell everything that I find. Every day I bring in what I found the day before. And we, at Texas State, we have like a little archaeology program and stuff like that. And she cleans that area or whatever. She found this awesome rock and she was allowed to take it. She gave it to me. I was like, what? That was really thoughtful. You know, it's just really neat piece of chert. Looks like a tombstone almost. Anyways, thought I'd add that as a little bonus. Show y'all guys that. But the Buc-ee site was pretty cool. Everything that I found, I thought, you know, wasn't much until I put it in a cleaning solution for a few days and scrubbed the heck out of it. And that being 9% acidity vinegar to tear all that crap off. This one was already clean when I found it. Nice little scraper here. Another graver. For engraving a real thick one. Little tiny bone one. Very unique one that stands up like this. Kind of neat. Another little point over there, chert. Not sure what this would have been. Some kind of chert point. Caramel chert. Check out this grave knife. Or graver. This is probably the strongest one I've ever found. This little point is freaking strong. Check out that awesome chert. Stands up on its own. Little like blue chert piece there. Here's another grave. Kind of weird. There's a possible bone hammer type deal. Could have been hafted off around there. Fat nose. Peace sign, I don't know. Here's just one piece here. I think this one's a little wood chisel. Much like one I found in the past year. Or a lot that I found actually. That sharpened edge there. Hold it there and chisel. I got a lot of chisels here. You can see them in my previous videos. I have about 10 or anywhere from 10 to 15 arrowhead videos since I just started learning about this stuff. Bunch of possible bone axes here. And while I was out there, I actually tried chopping some wood, and these things freaking chop. Heavy duty right there. There's another one. Not sure about this one. I was just thinking it was a cool piece of chert until I was looking at it closer, and I was thinking, man, maybe that is an axe as well, but not sure. Possible timey type deal. Here's a cool piece of chert. It looks cool. And I took this one as an example to help people identify kind of like the difference between a random flake and an actual like worked up piece. Because you pick that up and you might think it's one, but look how it's all perfectly straight. And I was like, man, that just looks like a new flake. And sure enough, I turned around and found this thing right by it. Look at that, it fits right on there. It's just a cool kind of example to be able to look at. But this is a very interesting piece of chert, by the way. So, just a neat piece. Cool little wood tool. Chisel. Bone. Real strong. Giant piece of chert. Just took it because it's cool. Need to build up the fire pit a little bigger, so I might use that. Here's a bone chisel right here, I believe. Unless it's a random break, it just fits so nicely in the hand. Look at that. I'm going down there, and it's got a real sharp point right there for chiseling wood, you know what I'm saying? Bunch of unique stuff. Broken drill. I don't know what the heck this is. It definitely was intended to be something. But anyways, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, here's another interesting one too that I've never found. The red rocks that they used as red paint or whatever. That's what this rock was. Like when I cleaned it up, all the red was coming off. It's got all these cool like little rocks connected to it. But it's kind of sharpened into an axe, so kind of unique, kind of cool. I don't know. Maybe just random, but I almost forgot to mention the freaking coolest tomahawk. Look at that. This thing's like light, but it's freaking strong. Just a good one. Aerodynamic. Could have been hefted off around here. That thing will chop pretty good. Not tomahawk so much, but more of an axe, like a small axe, I believe. Not sure about this. Maybe some kind of lateral part type of deal. But yeah, I don't know. But anyways, that's pretty much all the cool stuff that I found. I got a whole lot more coming, so if you like the video at all, please subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. I actually have another video right now that I've been working on. While I've been working on this one, I've been going to this other river area that I like, or that I've been posting other videos on, and I found some really neat stuff. I got like a huge chert axe, the biggest one I've ever found. I'll show you guys. So stay tuned for that, and yep. See you on the next one. Got the stuff being cleaned up, ready to go for y'all's entertainment purposes. A few more pieces I wanted to mention real quick. This one's neat. That nice little tail there. I believe this one's actually a bone piece, but I wanted to mention this one. Super light, super thin, pretty cool. I'm guessing some kind of spear tip, I don't know. A couple of bones, neat bone spear tip. Not sure about that one. Side scraper with the little ridges. I don't know. And then this one, I found what it was called. But, yeah, it's on the Texas arrowhead identification. It has like little notches like that. But I think it looks like it was missing the little foot, but it's got like a little divot instead, so I don't know. I don't know about these. Oh yeah, I wanted to mention this one. This is, I've been looking for one of these. This is a gar scale, I believe. That thing's freaking sharp as heck. And lightweight, but they make great points. How neat is that? The Buc-ee's pieces I'm definitely not gonna put back because think about it, they're gonna, you know, it's all gonna be concrete pretty soon here. So, yeah. Maybe I'll check it out a little bit more now that I see there's definitely some cool things out there. And if I do, you'll be the first to know.